Voluntary Secretary of St Mary's Organ Project Committee.
My name is David Hambrook and I have supported the Organ Project since its conception as the committee member representing the church congregation.
Hi, I'm Keith Roberts. I'm researching with the Organ Project here in Portsea, especially concentrating on the men named on the organ screen, their families, their interactions and their connections with each other and with the parish.
Hello, my name's Stuart. I've been working with the Organ Project for some time now and have helped with a variety of tasks from media and publicity to organ recitals and educational workshops.
I think volunteering is a really great way of using skills that you already have and of learning new skills in a supported environment.
I find the social history of the area fascinating and hope to learn more during the next few months.
It's been a great experience helping those with the vision to preserve and restore such an important cultural asset for Fratton and Portsmouth.
It has been an honour to assist by giving my time to provide stewarding and health and safety support for several functions designed to advertise and widen the knowledge of this important project.
Restoring our organ will benefit our congregation and also the wider community for many years, and I'm really glad to be a small part of helping that happen and making a difference.